Finally! We're gonna draw one of my favorites! Tonight we're gonna draw Swampert, my favorite Pokemon! Swampert, otherwise known as the Mudfish Pokemon, is basically one of my favorite Hoenn region Pokemon. You've got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. It's the master powers in your Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Pokemon. It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You've got the right stuff, so make your mind up. For the past few years, Swampert has been a big inspiration for me. He's actually one strong, powerful, one of my favorites. Also because he has the ability to Mega Evolve. That was a good upgrade. Thank you, creators of Pokemon. Got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Pokemon. I've seen a lot on Pokemon ever since West Hills Day Camp and that trip I went to at Logan's house. Swampert was one of my favorites. I learned a lot of stuff when I was at West Hills Day Camp, like that time when Pikachu bonded with the blue orb. That was awesome. One of my favorites. I hope to see that transformation again. Remember I made a photo of it? That would have been an interesting form for Pikachu to take on. If you want to check out that episode of Pikachu bonded with the blue orb, you can check out that episode as much as you want. And you can check out the Pokemon playlist. And to be honest, I actually missed going to that day camp. I wish I could, apply for a job there and not run off like last time. So make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. The power's in your hand. Pokemon. I love this song. And the music. And it's Pokemon. If you're smart, you can take it all. If you're strong, you'll survive and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be and find your destiny. It's the master plan. It's the master powers in your hand. Pokemon. And finished. There we go. That's how you draw a Swampert. One of my favorite Pokemon of all time. Who was your favorite Pokemon from the past? If you guys want to find out more on how to draw more awesome Pokemon like this, check out the Pokemon playlist in the comments below. And I promise I'll be there with more episodes real soon. Better sign off for now. Be sure to like your walk and subscribe to my channel. And check out what awesome Pokemon you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. This was my favorite!